Sa ginanap na launching ng kanilang coffee table book na may pamagat na A Legacy of Hope and Triumph, ang official chronicle of the fight for women's rights in the Philippines, ibinigay ni Mrs. Julita Benedicto, ang publisher at dating Pangulo ng National Federation Women's Club of the Philippines Foundation, ang kopya ng libro kay pangalawang Pangulo Jejomar Binay na dumalo sa selebrasyong ginanap sa function room ng Manila Hotel kagabi.
Now, my mother would like to give a copy of this book to the Philippine government. So ably represented here tonight by Vice President Jejomar C. Binay.
Naging matagumpay ang coffee table book launching at naging tampok at espesyal na panauhin din sa nasabing pagtitipon sina Sara Geronimo, Rap Salazar at ang Mandaluyong Choir na nagbigay ng kanilang mga madamdaming piyesa ng awitin patungkol sa isang ina. Ang okasyon ay pinagkasiwaan ni Kitchi Benedicto, ang chairman ng KB Entertainment Unlimited Incorporated at overall coordinator for the creation, launching at publishing of A Legacy of Hope and Triumph na nagsabing ang proyekto ay produkto ng pagmamahal.
Labor of love. That is what I shall forever remember Mom doing for an organization closest to her heart. All the meetings, the fundraising sessions, the spinning and devising of countless ways to get the group moving on a nationwide scale. I shall never forget any of those. It was an honor. It remains an honor for me to have been able to help the NFWC, not only as a daughter of the one of the past presidents, but as a Filipino woman.
Si Kitchi Benedicto. Katuwang din sina Robert Paulino, ang Vice Chairman, Salvi Casino, Chairman ng Creative Communications Management and Chairman Publicity and Promotion Committee. RH911, Bing Formento ng DCRH Nationwide.